wonder where Woody is.
Woody!
Huh?
Oh, Woody! Come and check out my swole shoulders. And check out these massive high-caliber guns. Winnie? Winnie?
I'm down here, Woody. What have you been doing? Even your toes have muscles.
Oh well. Back to being on model. Everybody thinks I'm crazy. I'm way too small to beat that girth. I need more volume. That's it. Hairspray with more volume. What? You thought this do did itself? Hairspray surprise! Wally, we forgot to shake hands before the fight.
How rude of me. Put her there.